Hi everyone, my name is Abdurrahman Talib and I'm recording this presentation to introduce you to a cross-platform mobile application where I'll be briefly explain to you what the application is. I'm going to talk about the backend of the application, the design, as well as the database. Now, this application is created basically for the healthcare organizations, where these healthcare organizations hire their staff to take care of their patients. Now, this application will be focused mainly on the user friendliness and the design of it, the accessibility of the database, and the efficiency in order to provide maximum patient safety. Now, as you can see on the screen over there, the design is very simple and also very efficient, so you don't have many cluttered notifications on the UI, nor you don't need to navigate too much in order to reach your goal. As you can see, it's very efficient. The way this application works is you have your excuse me, you have your application on your own phone, and this application basically communicates with the Node.js server on the cloud. Assuming you are requesting some data, the server will fetch this data from the MongoDB on the cloud, and then it will return this data to the server, which will then be displayed nicely on your local phone. Now, why I chose the cloud database? Because it's more secure, more safe for the patients, and also it's more accessible for the staff. So now allow me to show you a small demonstration over here. Now the staff will be presented with a screen that looks like this. Once they register, then they can create their own new account, assuming their name is John Doe or whatever. In this case, they will enter their own information, and they will also add their professional field. So once they log in, they will be presented with this screen. They don't need to add the patient information right away. Usually they would, but as you can see all of your data over here as a staff or a health worker field staff. Now over here you can simply, all you need to do, let's say you need to add a new patient, for example. Let's assume their ID is 1114 and the patient's name is Mr. Baxter. Now, assuming their age is 34, I'm just gonna add in some random numbers over here. And now the user is added, but we just need to search for them in case we need them. So we add in their ID over here, and we view the patient's record, and there it goes. Our patient is here. Now let's assume you added this by mistake and you want to delete it. You can just press on delete patient and the patient will be deleted. If you refresh the data, Mr. Baxter will no longer be there, or if you try to search for Mr. Baxter again, it's gone. It's no longer there. So this is basically how you can do everything on one screen, where you have the search bar for viewing or for searching for a patient, deleting a patient. You can simply refresh all the data on your screen if you want to look at multiple records, or you can just add the user over here right away. So that's it for the demonstration, and if you have any questions, please email me at the email over there, and please have a great day. Thank you very much.